I've got a visual on the.
You're not getting a shot. Screw you and your shot. You ain't getting it. You ain't getting a shot. Yeah, that's what you get.
I tried. I fucking tried.
I'm on my way.
Oh no. Oh no.
Don't let him in.
Oh no. Oh no.
Still respawning.
Get in. Oh no.
Yes.
Oh no. Yes.
Let me
Get.
stop,
No.
let me
No.
stop,
No.
let
No.
me
No. No.
stop,
No.
let
No.
me
No. No. No.
Yes.
I.
Ooh.
Oh whoa.
Oh, thanks for the help. Thanks for the help. I appreciate that.
What's up, Josh?
Hey, gentlemen.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Doug, you want to get
Nice
on
to
my way?
see you. Oh no.
Aw.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm in danger. I'm in danger.
He fucking rolls up on the
Where you
two
at?
motherfuckers trying to kill him.
God dang you.
Oh my god, I got the perfect view of that at the perfect time.
Oh, it sent me back, you bastards. Oh. Oh, that is
Fuck
rotten.
about winning.
Dude, that is so rotten.
Good
I
man,
want to do that
good
to me.
man.
No, 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 no,
Dude,
no,
he's
no,
fucking
no.
himself over up there.
Whew.
He's
I'm
at you.
good.
He's behind you. He slipped past.
What?
He got through. Knock him out.
Oh, hell no.
No, no, no.
Keep bouncing.
No,
Keep
no,
bouncing.
no, no.
Oh,
Can I hit him?
no.
Sorry, I'm back.
Get him, get him, get him. Ah, I'll skin the cat.
Oh, fuck.
Hole in one.
Are you shitting me?
Austin just got.
I got squished.
Connor, I think you hit me, which slowed me
Yep,
down
I
just
did.
enough to avoid the second crusher.
I'm just gonna. Oh.
Hey, gentlemen.
Hey, gentlemen.
I'll take the 2.
Did you just hop over the fucking thing?
I quit. I quit. I'm just gonna. I
He's
quit.
all the way back at the beginning.
No, it's not.
Oh shit.
No, I did. Oh,
Oh, okay. That worked out actually.
he got it. Austin got it.
You know, I like how y'all are keeping tabs on me. Not to actually congratulate me, but just to know, like, damn, I can't fuck him up anymore. Like, it's not like, you know, I'm proud of
could've won this
Austin
at
of his
3
accomplishments.
Fuck you.
Yeah. Okay. This
Funny
works.
seeing you
I
here.
can't even see where you're supposed to go.
Connor.
Oh,
Why do you
that
do
was
this?
actually- Thank you.
What's up, Doug?
Oh.
Connor. Connor,
What
please.
in the holy fuck?
Funny seeing you here.
Connor, please. Stop this. It's not necessary. Yeah, keep me over here. Get me away from that. Get me away from the freaking creep.
Oh, hi, Austin.
Oh, I
What
made
you
it
doing
over
over there?
Hell yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Awesome. Gentlemen. Oh shit.
I can't really fuck Austin up if he gets here, so I sort of just have to chill.
God. I'm already screwed up, man. I can't do any worse.
Hey, what's up, Josh? Josh, you want a little love
Austin.
tap?
Oh
You
my
got it.
god.
Josh, no,
You've
no,
gotta
you
be
want?
kidding me.
Oh, where's Austin?
Fuck.
Ow.
Guys, you don't gotta team up on me anymore.
That's
Like, there's no way I'm gonna win this one.
Okay.
Connor.
Yeah, sometimes love just gotta execute.
Connor!
Oh,
Why do you feel the need?
Look,
To
man,
do
I
me
can
like
get to
that.
the hole.
Okay. Do a little nice little nudge. Oh.
A
Stop,
nice
stop,
little
stop,
nudge
stop.
Indeed. Oh, he got up there, Connor.
That's fine, so did I.
No!
Oh my god, Connor.
Connor,
you
don't
are
do it.
on the
Connor.
fucking edge.
Oh my
No
god. I hate you. Dang it.
He has one shot left.
How do you all feel doing this to me? How do you
Good.
feel? How do you feel?
I
You
feel
feel like
good about
I
myself, I
feel
have to say.
fucking great. Josh, where do I go?
No.
I got it, boys. 8 strokes.
Oh, hey, Josh. Let's go.
Oh hey, I found the hole.
Let's go.
I found it.
Alright.
And look at that.
Holes.
8 strokes. Just like my boy Doug.
I'm not your boy.
You're not better than me, Doug. I'm just as good.
Give me a tap.
Go ahead, Dad. Give me a tap.
We're right in the way, Doug. Go ahead.
I'm gonna do one of these.
Oh.
Slow gamer move.
Ouch.
Fucking pro gamer moves out here, boys.
So
Oh,
Josh-
I was really
You gotta be
hoping that
shitting me.
fucking Josh would fuck you up.
Boy, our bye, bitch.
What the fuck?
I don't know, but I'm just going for it. Don't go for it.
Oh god. Oh god, guys. There's a
Oh,
jetpack.
yeah, it's a jetpack.
You got a jetpack. What the hell?
How are you supposed
Are
to
you-
do this?
Are you
Okay.
fucking? Why do I still have my jetpack? Why do I?
Jetpack.
Why do I still have my jetpack?
Oh shit! There's a jetpack.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, this makes a lot more sense. Oh hey
I was
guys.
so confused about what the fuck that thing did. I thought
Why
it
do I
was going,
still have my
going to
damn
hurt.
jetpack?
No.
I was like, what the fuck is a
Yup.
jetpack for?
To clear the gap.
Yeah, no, I figured that out. Oh my god.
Why is this hole so freaking
Watching these
retarded?
two is just.
Yes.
God, this is not fair.
He's on 8.
God, this ain't
9.
fair.
Alright, Austin, this one's here.
10.
Don't even have to fuck with Austin this time. Oh shit!
Help me.
Oh, I love that Austin can't fucking jump anymore.
Come on.
You have one
Alright.
hit. Oh,
Nope. Jetpack that shit, boy. Jetpack that shit, boy.
Bye.
gotta go. My planet needs me.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't want to talk about it.
I love Josh's hello.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Boom. Haboo. Uh-oh.
Hey.
By the way, I did find the boss play.
Shit.
I just
No.
missed it.
There we go.
You okay down there, Colin?
I'm great. Look, man, I'm here for you.
Thank God.
I'm sad. I'm
Austin,
so sad.
what the hell was that?
I'm so sad.
Oh shit. This is not my finest hole.
Yeah.
Fuck. Fuck.
Doug, I hate this hole.
I am at my
I fucking hate
10th
this hole.
stroke, about to be 11th. This is it.
Come on, Doug. You can get it from there.
Doug's doing what happened to me.
Come on, Doug.
Oh
Oh.
no.
Damn it.
Josh, don't screw with me.
No.
Don't
That was
fuck.
it.
Don't, Josh. Don't
Way.
get right in my way. Ugh. Oh no. Hey,
Pro tip,
Josh.
don't eat it, boys, at all. Don't eat it.
Yeet.
Okay.
Oh, god.
Don't
What's
eat it.
up, Doug?
Hey. Fuck.
I did
I'm
it.
done.
I got them all.
Austin,
Oh, there you go,
son
Doug.
of a
See, I told you
bitch.
not to eat it. Don't eat
What's
it.
up, Doug? Austin, you're a fucking piece of shit.
Don't eat it.
God damn it, Austin.
There we go. There we go.
Sorry.
Got
I
it.
didn't mean to do that.
Dude, the only reason I'm in 3rd is because of that whole, 11.
Yo, is that the good way? Where's the hole?
God damn it.
Where the fuck is the hole? Oh no. What's this gonna do to me? Where is the hole?
Over here.
Oh, there it is. Dude, this is awful.
You all gonna kill me. Every time I go to take a drink, y'all make me freaking laugh. I about died. We're so tired.
No way.
Oh no. Go.
God.
Come on.
Josh, come on, bro. Come on.
I've lost.
No.
Oh shit, the time, the timer?
Josh, come on. Josh, come on. Come on.
Fuck!
No.
I ran out of time. Did Connor just win? God damn it! Josh, you're so busy fighting each other. We didn't realize.
What's up, boy?